Hey guys, Sabrina. I'm from Faileas Creations. Now, this is just part 2 to the bead haul. You've seen the last bead haul is down in the description. These are some elements that was in that last bead haul. And what we're going to do is we're just going to start making the earrings and making everything so we can equal that 100. So, the first thing I like to do is to make sure I just use what's in the haul. You know, it's kind of unfair if you do it separately. Now, you see these packages here and here. Now, they're going to be priced up. Pictures going to be taken. It's going to be on eBay. Just ignore it. I hadn't started, and I want to do the earrings first. Okay, so these are some elements. You see this as well. This right here that was in that bead haul. Let me see. I can open it. There we go. Right there in that bead haul. So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight and we're going to start making the pair earrings with it. Now this right here, these are the chain is very beautiful. Y'all see that, and this is a sale, so we're not quite sure what it is, what type of chain that is. But now I'm just going to arrange the beads, how I'm going to loop them on there. And I'm going to get me some very nice wire. So we need 6 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now if y'all know what that is, y'all are old people. I'm not even slightly joking. Y'all some old asses if y'all know where that come from. Okay, so now, how can you tell real beads? Let me tell you about Swarovski beads. The holes are very small. It's very hard to drill a hole in a pearl. It just is. That's why they're so small. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the hard part. The hard part is these pearls, Swarovski pearls. There we go. That just made me out to be a lie, did it not? And I like to go ahead, get everything done. Now, you're sitting there. So what I'm going to do, the second I get done with doing the wires and doing the video, I'm going to go and line every one of these up like that. Put out the beads again from the bead haul and see, you know, which one is going to look good with what. And I do every one as quickly as I possibly can. Okay, so now all these beads have the little wires in it. I want to arrange it kind of the way I think I want it to be. Okay, now, then what I do, and this is what I do, because you got to do a lot at once. That's really pretty. These are, what kind of hook? They don't say. And I think I'm going to use both of these. This is something else I got from a bead haul, FYI. So I'm going to leave both of these out. I do not think they are sterling silver. Uh-oh. Ah, and like that is fixed. So what I do next, if that's the way I want them, I'm going to start, because I don't want to have to deal with a you know, a little round jump ring thingy. Don't like dealing with it. You know, if there's a way to, for me, if there's a way for me to get around it, I do. So this is what I do. You know, I do these videos and everybody sit and wonder, why do I do that? Why do I stop and look at this and try my very best just to memorize it? Because I want to pick this bead up, this other one up, and do it just identically to what I did before. It will save you so much headache. If I don't do it with the other two, I will definitely do it with this. Take my 5 minutes, do whatever. And get mad at me if you want to. So then, while it's open, I'm going to go right ahead and just start looping everything how I want. I want the ear wire on, and then I want the start of this chain on. I have what's called a Naomi proof stuff. What Naomi proof means is my granddaughter, which it's funny because her growing up, we thought she was going to be a tomboy. Now she is a tomboy. Now she'll beat a boy's ass in a minute, but she's still girly. I think it's the cutest thing in the world. Girly, looking all cute with her makeup on, beat them in football and just keep on running. That's a girl after my own heart. And then now I'm just going to twist this around. So I call this Naomi proofing it. This is for sure way that her earrings do not come undone. And there we go. It's hanging just fine. I wrapped it about 3 times. I'm going to finish this one real quick. Ain't nothing more embarrassing than your earrings coming back. Nothing more embarrassing than somebody walking around and half their earring done fell off the back of their thing. Take your time. That's the one step you need to do as quickly as possible. And then here I am. I'm going to wrap it. I said the magical number of 3. Let's make sure this is hanging right before I do. I know you guys have heard me, but I was raised Seventh-day Adventist, so I did not wear earrings growing up. And although I make earrings now, I have to have a note. I honest to God have a note by my door, and my jewelry is by my door that says, "Don't forget your earrings." Not a bad thing. Now clip this sucker off as close as I possibly can. Give them one little good pinch just to make sure they're in there. Guys, I love my little things I got from Hobby Lobby. These suckers are sweet. I'm going to pinch this one. Okay. Guys, I am going to speed it up. One more thing, just a really quick placement. This is small, this is small. This is going to go on the one directly, that second hoop right there. This one is bigger. It's going to go right on that third hoop. The plan is that it to fall just like that, to look just like that right there. Okay, so I'm going to speed it up. See y'all in just a second. Okay, guys, I am finishing up that first pair. We're going to take a look, see, and it did just that. See how it kind of failed just right? Isn't that gorgeous? We're going to squeeze the... Goodness, that's pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm going to finish up the second pair. The other pair. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you the last little picture here. Um, I buy these little boxes, and I do it just because it makes the earrings look so incredibly gorgeous. All of these are a little smaller, but there is there's a Swarovski pair of earrings. Until next time, guys, continue beading.